Welcome back, guys. Bit of an exciting one today, and one that I've really been looking forward to. Let's get into it. Guys, she's all unwrapped, and check it out. Check out the build quality of it. Pretty impressed so far. Let's get that old thing off and get this on. Have a look through there. So it wasn't too bad. Took probably, I don't know, 2.5 hours or so. Fits really well. I just had to pop off that rear sidestep, that rear bracket, just pry that out a little bit to get one of the exhaust sections in there. But that was probably the hardest part of that. And then you had to relocate a bracket in there as well. So I'll jump under and I'll give you the look. As you can see there, nice tidy fit, clears chassis rails all the way around up into the back section there as well. Pops back around. And nice and tidy all the way through there. The bracket that I was talking about is that one there. I'll show you how I had to relocate it. Right, so the original muffler bracket bolted onto this section here where you had your rubber. So you take that off, they give you this stainless steel bracket here which is supplied with the kit. You then just need to use a couple of them bolts that come out of here. There's some encapsulated nuts that are in there, so you bolt that bracket on that left hand side of the vehicle, which will then support that exhaust pipe coming through here. So yeah, just had to figure that out. They explain in the instructions, but unless you get under here and start looking at what's going on, it's a bit hard to understand. But yeah, once that bracket's relocated, you can see what the John Dory is, and then you can just bloody reuse that muffler, that exhaust mount there. So she's all good. Back through the end of the pipe there, exhaust, adjust your mud flap because the big rig does hit on it. But yeah, plenty of room under here now, ready for that water tank to go in. guys, the exhaust has been on for a couple of days now. I'm really happy with it. Not too loud, but if you give it a bit of stick, nice throaty note to it. So it probably suits us perfectly. No droning in the cab or anything like that. Makes it a bit of a pleasure to drive too. I have noticed that it's a little bit more responsive too. I'm not sure whether that's just because it sounds like it's louder and it's more powerful, but I reckon there is a response difference. Taking that big 44-gallon drum out the back probably helped things a little bit. But yeah, really happy with it. I definitely recommend it. It's a little bit pricey, but it is Australian made. Pretty local to me too, up there in Beresfield. So this is the 3.5 inch size. TORQIT also have the 3 inch for the Troopy. But went in easy, looks good, and definitely sounds good. So if you're thinking about it, I'd definitely get one, yeah. If you like that video, guys, and you found that helpful, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notifications bell for upcoming videos. Hook in.